Assalamualaikum to my Beyond Excellent lecturer, Dr. Muhammad. My name is Wan Haziq Daniel bin Wan Rosli. My metric number is 196274. Today, I would like to talk about on how to configure Vlan in all switch based on description given and configure Vlan routing at S2 layer 3 switch to allow all VLANs to communicate each other. First of all, we need to input the IP address given. So for the PC file, here the IP address is 192.168.4.1 and followed by subnet mask 255.255.0 followed by gateway 192.168.4.200. Apply. And then we do the same thing on all the PC here they are connected to the switch. Like this. Okay, fast forward. After that, we need to start the computers and switches. We need to wait until all the red dots change to the green dot. Awesome. Firstly, we need to configure S1, which is switch 1. System view, we rename the switch to the S1, and then we assign all the VLAN here to the switch 1. VLAN 4, and then Ctrl Z, system view back, VLAN 3, Ctrl Z, and lastly VLAN 2. Awesome. And then we need to assign a port access on the interface for the Ethernet 001, 002, and also 003. Ethernet 001 port link type access, and then we need to wait for a while. Okay, awesome. So VLAN 4. Ctrl Z, system view, and then we assign a port access for interface at Ethernet 002. Port link type access. Wait for a while. Then port default VLAN 3. Do the same thing for interface Ethernet 003. Port link type access. And then port default VLAN 2. Alright, so we already assigned all the interface 001, 002, and 003 to the port access. And then we need to assign interface 004 into a port trunk. System view, interface 004, port link type trunk. Wait for a while. And then port trunk allow pass VLAN all. And then we already assigned all the trunk port trunk here and trunk port access here. So we need to see whether we already assigned or not by use this command, display VLAN. So basically we can see here VLAN 2 here, 003 is up, 04 is up. For VLAN 3, 002 is also up, 4 also up. And last for VLAN 4, interface 001 is up, and then we want to see whether the port trunk and access is already or not. We use this command, display current configuration, and then we can see here for the interface 001 we already assigned to port access. Same goes to 002 and 003. And then for the interface 004, we already assigned to the port trunk. And then we're done for the switch 1. We do the same thing on the switch 3 and also a switch 4. System view, we rename the switch to S3, and then we assign to VLAN 3. Ctrl Z, system view, and then we want to assign the interface 001 to the port access and interface 006 to the port trunk. 001 port link type access, and then port default VLAN 3. We wait for a while. Perfect. And then Ctrl Z, system view, for the interface 006 port link interface internet 006 port link type trunk. Wait for a while. Port trunk low pass VLAN all. And then we want to check the VLAN, the connection VLAN. So the VLAN is already up state for the interface 001 and 006. We want to check whether the port trunk and port access is already or not. We use this command display current configuration. So here we can see that the interface 001 is assigned to port access, and for the interface 006 we assign to port link type trunk. So we're done for the switch 3. Go to the next switch, which is switch 4. System view, we rename the switch to S4, and then we want to assign a port access for the interface 001 and port trunk for the interface 008. 001 port link type access. Wait for a while. Port default VLAN 2. Oh, so basically we need to assign a VLAN first, which is VLAN 4. Okay, and then we go to the system back. We go back to the interface internet 006 001, sorry, and then we assign a port access there. Alright, wait for a minute. Port default VLAN 2. Oh, I just put the wrong VLAN there. Actually I need to VLAN 2. So here we go. System interface for internet 001. So port link type. I want to make sure that all the port access is already assigned there, and then port default VLAN 2. Awesome. And then I want to make sure that interface 008 become a port trunk. Then we need to wait for a minute, for a while actually. And port trunk low pass VLAN all. And then we're done for configure switch 1, switch 3 and switch 4. Next we want to configure switch 2. Firstly, we system view, rename the switch name to the S2, and then we want to make interface 005, 007 and 009 become a port trunk. But before that we need to assign all the VLAN, VLAN 4, VLAN 3 and also VLAN 2, and then we assign a trunk port there. So interface internet 005 trunk, and then port trunk low VLAN all. And then we're done for interface 005. We move on to interface interface here 007 port pin type trunk, okay, and port trunk low VLAN all. Oh, port trunk low pass VLAN all. Okay, we're done for interface 007. Next, interface 009. Interface Ethernet 009. Port link type trunk. Port trunk low VLAN all. And then we want to see whether all the port trunk is assigned or not. Display current configuration. So we can see here the for interface 005 done, 007 done, and 009 is done. So next step is we want to assign all the gateway on the switch 2. So basically we use the interface VLAN if for the interface is already upstate, and then we put the IP address 192.168.4.224. So basically 24 is 8, 16, 24, 32, or 255.255.255.0, and then enter. So the interface is upstate. So we do the same thing for VLAN 3 and also VLAN 2. Already upstate 192.168.3.224, and already upstate. And for VLAN 2, already upstate 192.168.2.1.224, and upstate. So we want to check whether the system is, we want to display VLAN first. So we can see here all the VLAN 2 is for internet 005 is up, 07 also up, okay. And then we want to see the display current configuration. VLAN if ready, check here. Alright, perfect. For internet 005 trunk done, awesome. For 07 trunk awesome, 00 interface 009 port trunk awesome. And then our system is ready to go. So we try to ping from PC1, from PC5 to PC4 first, 192.168.3.1, and then success. Try ping to PC, we try to ping from VLAN 4 to VLAN 2, 168.2, success. And then we try to ping from VLAN 3, PC2 to PC5 on VLAN 4, success. We try to configure, we try to ping from VLAN 2, PC3 to VLAN 3, PC2. Awesome. And then lastly, VLAN 2, PC3 to VLAN 3, PC4. Alhamdulillah, awesome. I think we achieved our objective, which is to configure VLAN in all switch based on the description given, and also configure VLAN routing and switch 2, layer 3 switch to allow all VLAN to communicate each other. That's all from me. Thank you.